What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a chatbot that sells RVs. I'm going to share my screen here so we can kind of look at the same thing together. But it kind of goes like this. You pretty much are going to use Voiceflow to create your chatbot, okay? I like to use Voiceflow because it's super interactive, it's easy to use, and it actually, works pretty well, okay? So you go to Voiceflow. If you don't know what Voiceflow is, you have to, you can do voiceflow.com. And pretty much, I think it's going to automatically log me in, but pretty much you go to Voiceflow and it pretty much lets you build. You can build chatbots, Google uses it, BMW uses it, Home Depot, JP Morgan, USAA. Pretty much it's like Voiceflow is the place to be. And so pretty much you can create chatbots, you can create automations, you can create whatever it is that you want to create. And pretty much do it all within a couple of blocks. And literally the little simple chatbot they're giving you right here is a perfect example of how easy it is to make chatbots. You can transfer funds, you can send money to here. It's like, yeah, that like I said, it gets crazy. But you go here, you pretty much get signed up, and it's gonna give you this screen, right? It's gonna give you a start tab. To create our chatbot, we're gonna have to start from Google, right? We're gonna look up RVs for sale, right? And so what this does is pretty much just gives us, little example pictures of RVs that are around us. And I'm just going to use a couple of these pictures so that you actually get to see. So we're going to use this picture. And like I said, you could either download these pictures yourself, meaning like you go to the dealership and say, hey, let me take pictures of some of the RVs you have. Or you can pretty much take the pictures from their website. So if you don't want to go and retake pictures, you can find pictures that are already made and you just use those pictures, okay? But I'm going to download a couple pictures here so you get to see. Some of them are going to be on the inside, and then some of them are going to be on the outside. Let's see. We could do this one. But pretty much once you have all your pictures saved, right? You pretty much have to start tab. The first thing you're going to do is pretty much create like an intro. When somebody first comes to your chatbot, what is it going to tell them? And it's going to simply say, hello. Say hello. I say, welcome to Sold by AI. I pretty much Sold by AI is like what my company name is, right? And you click this little thing, you hover over. You don't click it, but you hover over it, and what it does is let you create 5 variables, meaning similar sentences that are the same as the one that you put. So it says, greetings, welcome to AI, welcome aboard, good day, welcome to Sold by AI, hi there, But pretty much when the chatbot starts, the first thing it's going to tell somebody is, welcome to your thing. So it pretty much just says, good day, welcome to Sold by AI. This is simple as that. People come on there and they see that it is Sold by AI, okay? So we take it to the next step. What you're going to do, you're going to click this little start thing. And under talk, there's going to be what they call carousel. So what you're going to do is you're going to put 2 of them. Thank you to all the people who said bless you. But what we're going to do is we're simply going to upload our pictures into this carousel, right? So the first one I'm going to do is say the outside. And it's going to say price. And do this, and then I'll do like, this one can be like $458,785, right? Let's say this RV has space. Space, right? It's something, just simple description, right? But what you can do is you can also add a button, right? This is simply going to say learn more, right? And so the way you do it is kind of like this. If somebody clicks to learn more, or like this, if somebody clicks to learn more, you wanted to give that person more pictures of whatever it is that they want to learn more about, right? So when somebody clicks this, the action you want it to have is to go to a block, right? And the block you're going to set, oh wait, not block. It's going to be go to block, And the block that you want to set is this one. I'm gonna say next RV. Next RV. But pretty much when somebody comes on here and they say, okay, like I want to learn more, you want it to be able to go to the next block. Let me delete this. It goes here. Right. So if somebody says, and then I'll put picture here inside. Let's say the interior. I'm like, this is very nice. And like I said, I'm just putting example text so that you would really see what it's going to show you, right? So you when you run it, it pretty much says, hello, welcome to Soba RV. This is literally the price of the thing. It shows you the little RV, right? When you click learn more, it simply will take you to the next stage. Meaning, for each one, I could say have the insides of the thing. So I could put another picture here, and then it'll say be like the next inside. I'm gonna say the back interior. Oh, I say the restroom. All right. I'm like, this is just for you. And so pretty much like kind of like I was saying, you can have it to where I'm gonna put another, let's see, do another carousel, we'll put under here. All right. Actually, we'll do it like this. So you can have carousels within carousels, right? So I'm gonna do add a card. I'm gonna go here. And then I'm gonna do this little small one. All right. You click this. Over here, you see the black, say it's price. I'm just putting example text. So I'm put the all right, and then right here I put this one is black. All right. So pretty much, actually, I might have to separate this. Actually, let's see. I go right here. And then so for this one, I forgot to add a button, right? I put this button right here. And what it does is it lets me connect it to whichever one I want. I can enter a button that says learn more, right? And what this is gonna do is pretty much, I'm gonna make another carousel, put it right here. And then I'm gonna put this. And so pretty much what we're trying to do is we're trying to set it up to where it's going to give you the list of all the RVs that they have, and you get to pick through them, you get to pick through them, you get to pick through them. But when the person likes one and they want to click learn more, it will take them to pretty much see pictures of the inside. So pretty much it's like you see the outside, and then when you click learn more, you get it takes you to the inside. And so this one would be like the interior, right? And they say this one is for the family, right? And I'm just putting whatever. And then I could even have it to where I add one more card just to kind of show you. Pretty sure I chose this one. Actually, I think I truly the same. We could have downloaded one more picture, but we're just gonna use this one as an example, right? Let me say the interior back, right? And we'll say this so much space, right? So now that our thing is created, so when people come and they start the chatbot, right, it's gonna simply say, "Oh, hello," or "Greetings, welcome to Soul by AI." Here, oh, actually, I can put another thing that says, "I go, you talk, you go right here, you go under right here, and then it's gonna say, here are all the available options," right? Could you generate? Then do 5 variables, right? Right. So actually, yeah, we can make this even better. I'm going to give y'all some like it's gonna make it even better, right? So this is what you're gonna do. This is what you're gonna do. So you pretty much start it, it goes here, right? Right. And this pretty much is this is like the simple, this is the simple like good day, welcome to Soul by AI, right? But what we want to do is give the users an option that asks them like, where are you, right? So you say a choice. Oh no, not choice. Button. We'll put a button right here. It say, hello, welcome to Soul by AI, right? I'll put another talk. You put right here. It's gonna say, what state are you in, right? Right? This, right? And it's pretty much gonna listen for intent, right? The first button is gonna say Texas. The second one, is gonna say, you know, New York. Third one's gonna say California. Okay, but this is the kind of point that I was trying to prove. And you can make it a little more detailed, but pretty much is whenever somebody clicks on any of these listings, it goes here. So the new bot looks like this. Somebody comes on and it's gonna ask them, hey, where are you from? It's gonna say, what state are you in? So somebody will be able to click what state they're in. They're gonna be like, boom, 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 I want to be in I'm in this state, right? So it's kind of like this. Somebody comes on here and it says, hey, welcome to Soul by AI. What location are you in? And he says Texas, New York, California, right? And you can put like all 50 where it takes it the whole thing where like people like, it can be a little interactive, right? But what say somebody clicks Texas, no matter what they click, it's gonna take them to the thing. And you can have like for each state, I can have one for New York, I can have one for Dallas and stuff like that. So say you're in San Antonio, Dallas, and Austin. You can have one for Austin, you can have one for San Antonio, you can have one for Dallas, right? But pretty much whatever the person clicks, I had it like no matter what they click, whether they click this, it goes to this next block. And the next block is pretty much like, hey, here are all your available options, here are your available options, and it gives you the list of the two things, right? And pretty much it gives you a list of the RVs. And when somebody wants to buy an RV, when somebody wants to get one, right? They're simply gonna click learn more. And learn more literally just takes you to the next route. Like it's the interior. So pretty much it's kind of like this. Somebody comes on here, you ask them where they are, right? Boom. It tells you where they are. Then it gives you the list of all the things in your area, right? Boom. It gives you a list. You like this one, so you click learn more, right? And it gives you all the interior. And the last step, this is the last step, just literally just where you just make the money, right? When you click here, you click button, it's gonna say buy now. This is simple as this. People already know how much it is. And we're gonna do open URL. And we're gonna do www.google.com. Right? But pretty much it's gonna be already set up, meaning when somebody is ready to buy, it's gonna say buy now, right? Because they get to see everything already. So they know what it looks like on the inside, they look like what it knows on the outside, they see how much it is. www.google.com. And I'm putting Google so I can show you. So I can you can put whatever link or external website you want. You can even go to your YouTube channel if you really wanted to, right? But this is the thing. I'm gonna run it back. So somebody comes on here and says, where are you from? Like just to show you that anywhere you could say I click up from California. It's gonna take me and be like, no problem. Here are all the options in your area. I said, oh, I like this black one. It says awesome. Here's the interior. I'm like, wow, this interior looks amazing. I want to buy now. And it literally just takes you to the checkout page. This is gonna take me to Google because I put in google.com. But the point is, it literally can take you to the checkout page. So literally within 4 buttons, boom, 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 the person could be entering their credit card, debit card information. Okay, so you might be thinking, okay, how do I use this to sell it to the companies? You go to a company, you literally say, hey, what RVs do you have that you need sold? Right? Can I have some pictures of them? If I have to take a picture of them myself, I can take a picture of myself. If you want to send me pictures, you can send me pictures. But they send you pictures of the outside, they send you pictures of the inside. You create one that has, for the outside, that has all the listings. So people see this, they see how big it is. People see this, they see how big it is. And you can add more, right? And then when they finally say, okay, this is the one I want for the price, whatever, and for whatever description you want to put, They click it, it shows them the interior. They look inside, it shows you the restroom, it shows you the cabinet, it shows you the outside, it shows you the blah, blah, blah. Whatever pictures you want to put in here. You could put 20 pictures in here if you wanted to, right? And at the end, it literally just lets you call to action. The last thing, the last step. So pretty much it's like, okay, you know what it is, you know how much it is, you know what it looks like in the inside. Are you ready to buy? Oh, I'm ready to buy. And you can even put right here, like talk to an agent, you can put whatever. And so they literally click it and it literally just takes them to the checkout page. And if this is something that you own, say like you're selling, say there's an RV company that's like, okay, take this RV, put a picture of it on your website, right? You put a picture on the website. Somebody comes here and uses this. If they click checkout, it's going to take them to a checkout page. I'm not saying somebody's going to check out 200 grand, but it's more of like, they're going to want to come see it. So instead of buy now, I can go back here and I could say, schedule a showing, right? Or no, I say talk to an agent, right? Like Steve Farm, talk to an agent today, right? And then the next one will say, see in person, right? And so pretty much what it does is kind of like I said, the person comes here, they start the chat bot. It's like, boom, hey, welcome to Sold by AI. What's your location? Oh, I'm in New York, right? No problem. In New York, we have these vehicles, right? These vehicles are all right. I like this one. Oh, you like the outside? No problem. Here's a picture of the inside. Oh, these are all right. You know, maybe I'll talk to an agent. Boom, it takes you to talk to an agent. I put Google because, like I told you, just for an example, right? But it literally takes you to where you need to go. So at the end of the day, it's that simple. And then say I want to see it in person, you click it, and it takes you to a calendar page, check-in page, whatever you want, whatever page you want to close the deal on. So if you have a product where you would want to sell it, you can do a checkout page. If you want to book appointments, you do appointment page, whatever it is. And if you want the AI to do it for you, like I could do it for you, but that's another story for another day. But this is simply how you create a chatbot that sells RVs. And it's like I said, it's literally, it's not even, the concept is not even that bad. It's literally like a hello, this is what we have. This is the insides. And then, like I said, I could do 1 or 2 more steps to complete the process. So I could even have it like, I could even ask people if they're satisfied afterwards. But kind of like I said, that's something that I give to my people that are in my Discord and the people that actually, you know, sign up to my events. But I host a Zoom call every Sunday at noon. And if you want to come to it, you can. If you don't want to come to it, you don't have to. But it's one of those things where if you're subscribed to the channel, then you're more likely to see the videos that I post, and you're more likely to see how I make my chatbot, so you're more likely to make money. But at the end of the day, like I said, this is simply how you create a chatbot for that sells RVs. It's literally as simple as that. I can sit here and make it like a million years longer, but it's one of those things where it's as simple as that. If you learn how to do what I just did, you simply can have it done. You could sell this to somebody like an RV park and literally be like, hey, this is all the RVs that you need sold. This is how you can sell them, and this is the chatbot. And the chatbot literally is like I said, we didn't even get into how to make it smarter. And you can feed it data to where it's like, oh, if somebody asks it, oh, what's the measurements? Oh, is it black or blue? Can I turn this red? Does it come with the couch? You can have it answer all those questions. That's a part 2. If you guys want a part 2, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section. Oh, I want a part 2 because I can make a part 2. But the point is, this is how you make a simple chatbot that sells RVs, and you can literally demo this to people. So when you sell it to an RV a dealership, you can show them like, hey, this is how it would look, this is how people would do it, and this is how easy it is. And like I said, the whole process is just making it easy for people to check out. And this alone could generate people more leads because, like I said, when somebody clicks on here, it just says like book an appointment. Oh, go here, see it in person. Like, you know what I mean? So it's like, it just makes it a lot easier for you. But if you found this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, that's all I have for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.